Alright, in this video I'd like to go over homework question number 22. If the torque required to loosen a nut that holds a wheel on a car is 58.0 newton meters, what force must be exerted at the end of a 35 centimeter lug wrench to loosen the nut when the angle is 56 degrees? Okay, so in this question we have is a tire, and on that tire is that lug nut. Okay, now I have a wrench that I put on that lug nut. Alright, and I'm told in the question that the length of my wrench is 35 centimeters. And I'm told that I am pushing with some force at an angle of 56 degrees. Okay, so I'm not pushing straight on. I'm pushing at this bit of an angle. Alright, I'm also told that I need to achieve a torque of 58.0 newton meters to get the nut to start turning. Okay, so I'm trying to solve for force. Okay, so I want my torque. Oops, do that in red. I'll change the color here. Torque equals force times distance times the sine of the angle. Alright, so I want my torque to equal at least 58 newton meters, which means I need some force. My distance, I'm working at 35 centimeters, so that's 0.35 meters, times the sine of my angle, 56 degrees. So from here, I have my one variable, and it's just math. So my force is going to equal 58 divided by 0.35 sine of 56. And if I plug that into my calculator, I get 199.887 yada yada yada. So the answer I'm looking for here, I'm going to round to 3 sig figs, is 200 newtons. Okay, so there's question number 22.